Good morning, all my subscribers. What I have here is a DJI Mobile 2. It's just platforms I use for making videos. But there's a problem. I notice when I switch it on, it's very unstable to the one side. It's just going to one side. And then I open it once. It's a bit of a problem to open it, but there's two batteries in there. And this is, I think, how it works. There's a center tap. They have this actually in series, you plus minus series, and then there's a positive and a negative and a center tap. And this is how they manage to make the motor move from the middle to the left and the middle to the right. It's just how they switch between the positive and then a negative side. And obviously charging the BMS battery management system to charge the battery separately. I'm going to try to open this thing, but it's a bit of an issue. But firstly, I think I just need to get the label off here first. I remember, otherwise, just put this thing one side. See, and then there is how it works here. Here's a clip here and a clip there and a clip there. So just to get this thing going, it's a bit of an issue because you need to get these things is to grab it somewhere. And this is, you can actually damage your your plastic, make marks on here just by opening it. So it's a bit of an issue, but I just want to open it, and I'll just manage to get the hang of it, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I managed to get put some effort in here, push a screwdriver in here. Then you will see there's the clips there. A bit of a problem to open this thing. I guess they don't want you to open this. Yes, going. There's clipping open. There's also one here. And one clip here. So it shows you, once you just get your hang of it, you'll see there's the clips. Here's a clippy here. There. And where else? No, the top is nothing. It's only here and here and here. So 3 places. But when you finish, you can just go take your little knife and just clean this again. Where you damaged the, looks like you damaged the plastic, it doesn't look so bad. Okay, here is your batteries. There's some double side tape obviously in here. Yeah, so they put some, just put them this side to use them again to make them more sturdy. Okay, now you can see here is your let's just open this, the sleeving here. You can see how these batteries are connected. Here's my cutter here. Okay, you can see there's a positive and negative. there's no plug there, so I have to go in. Okay, the positive, negative, and the blue, the black is then your center tap in the back. So it's connected together. There's no safety circuit bolt in here that I can see. So obviously, okay, what I'm gonna do is just put on my soldering machine, and then I'm gonna undo this. And I'm gonna desolder this in here. Solder, so remember the blue is a long one, and this is the, we can just go and but anyways, just leave this. Take the sleeving off, and then the red, just take the sleeving off here. And just take the solder of the red one, and then your negative. So this is your old battery. It is a 2.6 amp hour battery, rechargeable lithium ion battery cell, model 18655. Now this is the same, if I see this is the same size, it's gonna fit in there. Okay, but now I just need to go solder this thing in the same configuration and put a plus and a minus, and it's just to solder it, to put it then in there back again. There's all the electronics, as you can see in there, of the DJI. Now there's one motor here, one motor there, and one motor there. Okay, you can see what I did here now. I changed one shop, the one they already made up, so I'm not going to open this sleeving. I'm just going to rearrange the wires. Now you take the negative from here and the positive from there, and then you can go and you do it longer, and then you can go. If you have a small, very small wire and it's very delicate circuit, and if you can't open or skin it, then I always do it like this. You take your long nose, you hold your long nose there, and then you just go and you wedge your scutter between there and there. Then you don't pull on your wire, then otherwise you can't damage your. Okay, this became your center tap now, and we're gonna put some solder on here. Okay, that I'm gonna use for the blue wire over there, and then the positive and negative this wire is just long enough to do here. Then I'm gonna cut here. If you solder, always use just cut it a thin small piece. Don't make your wires too long where you thin it. You just need the smaller better. Just cut it short. That one also. Okay, now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just thin these wires mostly, and then you put some sleeving over there, and then we're gonna solder this there. Then you can close your sleeving. Then you can take your flame, heat it. But now when I put this back, I hope when I switch the supply back, it doesn't come on and start moving. So let's just do the positive first. Always use nice new solder where the flux is dissipating. And this is in the positive. Oh, come on. Let's blow it. It's always bad to have some dry solder. It looks so good, but I think it will do. Now we put the negative on there. Let's put some new solder on. And we put some sleeving over here. Then you can close that. Okay, there the battery pack. Now we can just switch it on and see if it reacts. But maybe the battery is flat. I can't remember. I think the voltage is still supposed to be alright. They just plug it in and then we can see if it's charging. So you can see it's charging. You just give it a while and when there's some energy in the batteries, we get back to you. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it charged for a while. Let's just put this stuff back. Put the lid back and then we can carry on. This is how it was. It's like this, and like the wires must be in there. Put all the wires in there. And then I noticed some double side tape also in here. Let me just some tape here where that stuff holds. Where's the old batteries? And here's some also rubber tape. With this, I need some. Just cut this off here. It doesn't wanna. I somewhere use this. Cut it off. I'm gonna put it over there now. I'm gonna take some glue. Take some glue and stick it over there. And then we can put this thing now back. The lid, everything is in there. Make sure all the wires is in the right place. And then you clip it back. So you can see there's all the marks. You can just go with your knife and just kind of smooth it out. And then you can put the sticker, this label in the bottom here again. Okay, now I'm gonna charge this thing for a while. Just switch this light off and you can see the flashing lights. You can see it's charging. Let's just charge it for a while, and then when it's full, continue the video and see if it's working. Alright, see you later. Okay, this is when the batteries are full now. You can see how it moves, you can see it left, you can see it right, you can go left, up, down, and that's just nice of it. The nice thing of it, you can move it, the thing stays the same. So this is how to change your DJI's mobile platform's battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.